umuulan sa labas. So I'm just waiting.
I've got an internet crush.
Just me and you, what should I do? I used to be so quiet like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name, now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient.
Morning, Diva and I, it's on the way for our walk today. Time check is 37 past 9 na ng umaga.
Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh, what a surprise! The thought of your kiss as the people walk by. I'm just dying to ask, wouldn't hurt to try. Just me and you. What should I do? I hope you hit me back, 'cause I can't wait to see you. Everything's a vibe. The both of us, who knew how fast things became? Now it feels so great. I've been waiting.
We're just gonna go here. I don't know what's it. Yes. Come on. Hello. Stay there. Stay. Good girl. Sa sasakyan, dadalhin ko na lang si Diva sa golf course para makarun siya. Dito kasi medyo mabato. Bala ko kasi siyang dalhin dun sa kabilang area kung saan ko siya usually dinadala. Kaya lang maraming nag-walk na rin. So walang parking area. So wala kaming maparkan dun kanina. So dito na lang. Kaya diba? O si Haring Araw lumabas. So ayan. Okay, balik na kami sa sasakyan. Muna tayo. More than half pa kasi yung gas ko. Kaya lang, may work ako bukas at saka sa Sunday. So, kailangan ko magpagas. And then, off na ako sa from Monday to the 17. Pero meron akong work sa sarili kong business, yung side hustle ko, nagmamasahe ako dito. Meron akong client sa Monday, Saturday, and Sunday. So, which is good. It keep me busy actually. Yung ganun. Let's go. Hindi masyadong nakapag-walking si Diba kasi nga mabato. Walking ko siya sa golf course na lang para maganda. Hinihingal na rin siya. May nag-yellow na sa bundok. What are you doing, darling? So, magpagas muna tayo. Nag-drop by ako dito sa recycling area or skip na tinatawag dito. Yung shredder ko sira na at yung mayroong cover yung car dati, yung first car ko, hindi ko pala naisama nung bininda ko siya, so tinapon ko na lang din. Let's go. I'm gonna boil some water for my egg. I'm just gonna clean up here kasi kailangan na ng linisan. So, hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo. Maglilinis lang ako dito sa aming kwarto. Bedroom is done. Na-cover ko na siya. I cover here as well. And the toilet is clean. I'll do this after my living room. So, I'll go for the living room first. Pasaway na aso. Hello? You okay? Time check is 1:45 na. So I'll just do the stairs and then I'm just gonna have a cup of tea and something to eat. Okay. I use this one. That one. May ngipin. Pudpud na nga ngipin eh. Kasi parati kong ginagamit. Especially dun sa kwarto ko. Kasi si Diba parating nandoon. So like that one. Oh, ang daming buhok. Diba? So, balikan ko kayo maya-maya, ha? So, ng Wednesday, Thursday. Today, it's Friday. And then, work ako again tomorrow. Saturday, Sunday. So, ito. Imbis na magpahinga. Naglilinis ng bahay. So, ganito talaga sa abroad. Kailangan, maging masipag. Kasi, kung hindi, wala din. Hindi mo gagawin ngayon, wala din namang gagawa, kundi ako din. So, gagawin ko na. So, kaya yun ang ginagamit ko kasi tinan mo, ang buhok ni Diva. Let's go to Morrison. Kailangan ko ng cash for tonight kasi mayroon akong Christmas dinner. And then, I'm just gonna grab some fruits as well for my breakfast tomorrow with the yogurt. Okay? Ulan sa labas. So, I'm just waiting for Rhoda to pick me up. Makikisabay ako sa kanya. O, diba? Natamad mag-drive. So, ayan. May umbrella ko. Maliit. Just in case. Nakatali na naman yung buhok ko. Yay!
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken.